Good morning, student. Now, after taking a rest of 1 week, I think you must feel now fresh. Dear students, now I am going to start minerals and energy resource from geography. My dear students, as you can see here is the two different terms, minerals and energy resource. First of all, we would discuss about the mineral resources. What are minerals? I would like to define it in a very simple way that you can remember. My dear students, it is a natural occurring inorganic solid which have definite chemical composition. Very simple definition. It is a natural occurring inorganic solid which have definite chemical composition is referred as minerals. If you say uses and importance of minerals, to remember it in easy way, how can we remember it easy? So my dear students, minerals are required in our day-to-day life. Okay, we take different minerals in order to keep ourselves fit through the food that we take students almost every day. Besides students, if you say any tools that you utilize in your day-to-day life, either it is a needle or sword, every tools are manufactured or formed by any of the minerals. Besides students, it is also important to develop infrastructure. It is also students equally required for the development of infrastructure like transportation, communication, and so and so. Besides students, we also need minerals for the decorative purpose during the ceremonies. Okay, so if we see students the importance of mineral, we find it play a vital role in our day-to-day life and essential for the development of a human beings or development of a country. Okay, now students, the matter arises here where minerals are found. Usually if you see students, there are the three different parts of the earth's surface: crust, mantle and core. Okay, so if we go to define the minerals, so geologist and geographer has defined the minerals in two different ways. Geologist and geographer. By the geologist students, if we see, we find geologists define the minerals as a part of the earth crust which is found in any surface of the earth. But at the very same time, if we refer to definition by the geographer, we find there that any of the geographer define the minerals in the different form. They study the minerals for the economic purpose. Geographer discuss the minerals as a economic part of students. It does not matter that where the minerals are found, but geographer consider how it is economically benefited to the human beings. That is why we say geographer and geologist has defined the minerals in the different form. Okay, देखिए, any of the minerals students are found in rocks. What is the rocks students? A solid mass which consists more than one minerals, and every rocks consists more than one minerals except limestone which have only one minerals students. Okay, so if we find there, now there are the different types of minerals: metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals. Now you can see a student the classification of mineral. Metallic minerals which is further divided as ferrous, non-ferrous and precious. Ferrous minerals which have iron in it, इसमें iron होते हैं, है ना, और non-ferrous which does not have iron like the copper. Precious minerals students like the gold, silver it is. And if we talk about the non-metallic minerals, we find there is the mica, salt, potash it is. And energy minerals, okay, petroleum. you will see the classification of minerals in your book, metallic or non-metallic students. Okay, metallic and non-metallic minerals. We would go at the different type time about the classification. Metallic is what you have been discussing, metallic and non-metallic since a long time, students, from the 5 to 6 class. Metallic minerals are those minerals which have metal. Metallic minerals are those minerals which have metals like iron ore हो गया, tin हो गया, copper हो गया, like this or that. And non-metallic minerals which does not have metal in it. Okay, जैसे माइका वगैरह हो गया, limestone हो गया, like this or that. Okay. So now students, if you see occurrence of minerals, what we find there? Okay, minerals students are mainly found in ore. Every ore are not called the minerals, but every minerals can be called ore. Why it is so? It is because students, the ore extraction of minerals from the ore is a very difficult process. It is very difficult process students. अब एग्जाम्पल आप ले लीजिए कि पंजाब में मान लिया आयरन ओर है स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है, दैट इज कॉल्ड ए ओर, बट टिल इट इज एक्सट्रैक्टेड फॉर द इकोनॉमिक पर्पस, टिल इट इज एक्सट्रैक्टेड फॉर द डेवलपमेंट, it cannot be called a ore, and it is very difficult because extractions of iron from iron ore is a very difficult process because we need coal, we need students limestone there, okay, for the extraction, which is not found in Punjab. So those iron ore which is found in Punjab cannot be called minerals because the extractions of iron from that ore is very difficult. Okay, so now students, if we see, we find there that occurrence of minerals, as you have read before, that minerals are found in rocks. Minerals are found in rocks. Okay, so what are the different types of rocks? बहुत important है students, इसको आप जरूर देखोगे, है ना, बहुत important है occurrence of minerals, ठीक है. So minerals, as it is found in rocks students, we can find there that minerals are found in different rocks. रॉक्स कौन कौन हो गए? इग्नियस रॉक है, मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक है, सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स है. तो यूजुअली इन मेटामॉर्फिक एंड इग्नियस रॉक्स minerals are found in students, what you can say that in igneous and metamorphic rock it is found in crack. Okay, जो crack वगैरह होता है, तो it is found in two different forms students. Okay, it is found in two different forms. If we see the occurrence of minerals, we mainly find that minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks in fault, crack, joint. Okay, so it may be a larger deposit, it may be a very thin deposit there, like the iron ores, ये सब हो गया, ठीक है. In the same form students, if we find, तो in sedimentary rocks, एकदम easy पे में याद रखना है, मेटामॉर्फिक इग्नियस में पाया जाता है, ये फॉल्ट में, क्रेक में, ज्वाइंट में, ठीक है. Sedimentary rocks students, as the sedimentary rocks is formed through the layer, that is why minerals in sedimentary rocks are found between the layer, जैसे कोयल फ्यूल वगैरह हो गया, कोल हो गया, फ्यूल हो गया. ओके, एंड सम ऑफ द मिनरल्स स्टूडेंट्स आर फाउंड ड्यू टू द डिकम्पोजिशन, लाइक द बॉक्साइट, ठीक है. ए रॉक्स स्टूडेंट थ्रू द डिफरेंट क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस डिकम्पोज. तो रेसिडुअल पार्ट्स after decomposition of the rocks is called the bauxite, that we obtain means aluminium from there. And one of the important is the placer deposit. देखिए बहुत important है, 1 marks 3 marks में पूछता है, what is the placer deposit? The placer deposit students is deposit of alluvial fan, ठीक है, in the sand of valleys to the mountain break, which we call the placer deposit. placer माने क्या होता है? माने जो एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान तक प्लेस होता है, तो कैसे होगा? नदियों के द्वारा, ठीक है, तो उसी को हम एलुवियल फैन बोलते हैं, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है प्लेसर डिपॉजिट, ठीक है। एलुवियल फैन विच इज डिपॉजिटेड इन द वैली ऑफ द सैंड एंड द माउंटेन लैक इज कॉल्ड द प्लेसर डिपॉजिट, and all the precious minerals like the gold, silver are found in placer deposit. And some of the minerals, students, are found on the surface of the sea, on the surface of the sea, students. Okay, or these minerals, students, are extracted for the economic purpose. Okay, so today topics, students, I end here. Okay, I will give you some of the clue also between this video for a better understanding. Okay, students, have a nice day.